Sorry to interrupt, ladies and gentlemen, but you already know who it is. You already know what it is. It's your boy TB. Welcome back to another edition of Rolling with TB. You hear me?
What's up, Rolling Gang?
Purchase your tracks today.
Yeah, so we just arrived to DUCAN, South Carolina. It was literally like probably 15 miles from my last load. And we taking this load to Brownsville, Texas. They said it's some like machinery parts or something like that. So we here. As soon as I pulled in, when the guys told me to bag in the door 3, I did that. So they about to start loading my trailer. About to go in and see if I got to get anybody my pickup number or check in or something like that. But I don't know. We'll see. But let's go. Rolly.
Door open is not but 8 foot.
This mug is huge, man. What is this?
This is chutes for machines.
God dang.
Fixing to put four chuckers on the truck. It fits.
Heck yeah.
So you have to be dead nuts.
Straight.
Because what happened the first time, inside was too far that way. Then when you pulled up, you got over it, but it went over this way too far.
Oh, shoot. This was smarty out in.
So this is one end you got to be dead nuts perfect with that 8-foot door.
So y'all closing down this facility?
Yes, everything going to Brownsville, Texas.
So cool. The facility is closing down pretty much, so everything that's in this facility is going to Brownsville, Texas. So man, if I can get over to South Carolina, I might get me a couple more of these little $3,000 loads on a Friday, deliver Monday. So because I see a lot of freight going from Missouri over this way, so we'll see. But I'm about to bag back so that they can push the rest of this stuff in the back of my trailer, and then I'm gonna check back in with y'all after that. Rolly. So we officially loaded now. Bagged out the door. About to close the door. Pretty much had to make my own bill of ladings on this. Make sure I had the guys sign it. Let me know how many they put on there. Made sure that they signed it, did everything. Send that to the agent. This is one of those times where I be scared when I don't get like original bill of lading. I gotta make my own, because I want to make sure that everything on there is correct and right. So this is what we hauling, a bunch of machines, a whole truck full of machines. So it's a pilot right up the street. I'm about to go weigh this right quick and then start heading towards Brownsville, Texas. I have no clue where I'm gonna get some fuel from, to be honest. The cheapest fuel I got on this run was in Louisiana, but I'm going south towards Texas, so hopefully I find some cheap fuel down there. About to go weigh this trailer. I got my makeshift seal on her. First, I gotta make sure I put my log on her. We don't want no problems. No problems at all. Then I got my little makeshift seal, my little Landstar seal or whatever. So we're about to put that on there. About to go over to this pilot, find J and weigh ourselves. I'm gonna catch y'all once we on our next adventure. Wherever we about to go, wherever we stop at, I'm gonna see y'all. Rolling. Yo, this load is super duper light. 18,000 on the drives, 28,000 on the trailer, 58,000 altogether. So yeah, we good to go, man. We about to coast this mug on down to Brownsville, Texas. So I'm gonna see y'all wherever we stop and get some fuel at, because this is gonna be a smooth trip. As long as we don't run into no bad traffic, man. We picked up this load up here in Duncan, South Carolina, a load full of machinery. Now we about to go ahead and just hit the road. We weighed ourselves, we legal, everything legit. Got my paperwork, whatever. So I'm gonna see y'all once we hit the road and go get some fuel somewhere. Rolly.
6.5 hours later.
Man, I came here thinking I was gonna get lucky because I see all those pumps and stuff empty, but come to find out, only 3 lanes got DEF. So nothing I can do but sit here and wait for these guys to move so I can give me some fuel, clean my windows. Fuel here is $1.73. We literally 799 miles from Brownsville, Texas. So I'm gonna do probably about another 100 something. Let me see how much time I got on my clock, to be honest, while I'm talking. So I got approximately 3 hours left to drive, 3 hours and 36 minutes left on my 14. So that's cool, man. If they hurry up and move, I can give me a 30-minute break in. Also get my fuel, get out of here with 3 hours left to drive. So we'll see, man, but we gotta wait for these guys to move so we get some fuel to keep rolling. Rolling. Man, look at that. Them windshield look, my windshield look a whole lot better now that I cleaned the inside of it. So we just got done getting some fuel. I got 1 minute till my 10-hour break is up. I mean, my 30-minute break is up. We about to try to make it over to Port Allen, Louisiana. Probably get some good food there, take my 10-hour break there, and finish the rest of this trip off tomorrow. So I'll see y'all once we get over to Louisiana. Right now we're somewhere in Alabama. Can't think of the name, but we somewhere in Alabama. So break is officially over. It's time to roll out. Rolly. Alright, y'all, so right now we in Port Allen. I love Louisiana. Like, if I can get loads from Louisiana, Texas, Louisiana back up to Missouri, I will literally be down here all the time. It's always some loads going from Louisiana to Texas though, but you know, I still gotta get to Missouri to get home, whatever. But before I get here for the night, we gonna finish off the trip tomorrow morning. I got like 600 miles to go, but I'm about to go to one of my favorite restaurants over here, a little truck stop called Cash. It's right across the street over there. Want to give me some Louisiana food, some down home Louisiana cooking, and that's what we about to do for the rest of the day. Get us a shower, get us some sleep, and finish off this last leg of the trip. So I'm gonna see y'all on the next clip.
2 days later.
Alright guys, so we starting our vlog off right here at the Loves. I pretty much took my 34-hour reset here at this Loves in Brownsville, Texas. We about to go over to, I think it's called Try Something. It's over in Brownsville to get all this machinery and everything off this truck. Then I need to hurry up and try to find me another load. I'm probably gonna dead head over to Laredo unless I see something in this area, but pretty much gonna probably have to head over to Laredo, find a load, pick up a load. Probably won't get there till like noon or something, depending on how long they take over here to unload. So what we about to do is about to take y'all in the sky. Okay. All right, thank you. All right, guys. So it's 6:35 right now. We at the receiving office, waiting for somebody to come check me in so that I can get these machines off me, man. What I'm mad about mostly is that Saturday, if I could have got here Saturday early enough before 3, they could have unloaded me, and I could have at least been halfway to Laredo today. Got there today, took my 34 reset and everything, but you know, it's Monday, we here. Hopefully they get us in and out quick. I don't know, but we gonna see.
Is somebody else beside you?
They supposed to be coming. I don't know what time, but I'm the first one though.
Yeah. What I was gonna ask you, you the one texting me?
Yeah.
Okay. Man, I don't want to work yesterday, man. The only day off I got on this job, man.
Sunday.
Yeah. And it's being hot.
Yeah.
Work hard, not like you. So, no. Come on. Man, I can't believe he couldn't let me work today.
I got here on Saturday, but I didn't know what time y'all closed.
You left at 3.
Oh, okay, yeah.
No, you know what I'm saying?
I ain't get here till 4.
Yeah. Let me get somebody here. All right. Thank you, my man.
Two hours later.
Alright, so a lot of guys keep asking me, is this the right time to come over to Landstar? So if you made it to the end of this video, I'm just about to tell you my honest opinion. Yes, it's the right time to come over to Landstar. May was a hard month for all of us. All of us. May was a hard month for all of us. I literally took off for the entire month of May. I did probably a couple little short runs, but I pretty much took off for the whole entire month of May. I know other guys took off for May. May was just a sucky month for all of us. Right now, my week, this is my week. I'm not speaking for nobody else. And I'm showing y'all real numbers. This is before Landstar takes out his cut. So, you know, you pretty much gonna have to do that math yourself, because I'm just about to speak and edit this video and throw it up, send it to y'all. So I ain't got time to really do the math. But my first load for this week, this right here, paid $2,000, paid $3 a mile going from St. Louis down to, well, East St. Louis down to Arlington, Texas. My next load paid $2,300, paid $2.50 a mile going from Arlington, Texas, no, going from Mesquite, Texas to Spartanburg, South Carolina. My last load, the one that we currently on right now, paid $2.03 a mile on $3,000. So that was a $7,000 week for me. I probably only spent $800 and something in fuel this week. No lie, I've been getting eight miles to the gallon or whatever, however you say it. Sorry, I've been getting 8 miles to the gallon this week. My insurance comes out the first of the month, so I ain't got to worry about that. Pretty much everything on this load is nothing but profit. It's profit for me. So after everything was all said and done, out of that $7,000, I can't give y'all the specific number because we get a 30% advance on every load plus fuel surcharge. So with that 30% advance, every load with fuel and everything, so far I made $2,000. And the remaining balance of those loads is gonna get paid out to me once Landstar take out their cut. So this week for me was like a $4,000 week. I can't give y'all a specific number right now because, you know, I only got the advance on each of those loads, and each of those loads were delivered on time, no issues. They were what they paid. So one of these days I'm gonna give y'all a very, very extensive video on that. But, you know, I just look at the 30% or whatever that I get paid. I live off of that, and then everything else goes into my savings, my emergency fund for my truck note repairs and all that stuff. So I don't really even care about whatever the remaining balance is. They're just gonna sit in my account or whatever and just collect dust and add up unless I really, really need that money. So, you know, yes, it is a good time to come over to Landstar. Takes a while to get on, like I said, like everybody said, it takes a while to get on. So this is the time to get your ducks in a row to come on over here, man. There's plenty of freight. The rates are still iffy. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's still iffy. I only been to Missouri, Texas, South Carolina. I was able to find some last minute loads and stuff like that that pay pretty good. So, hey, don't quote me on that. But come over to Landstar, man. Come get this money. You got any questions, add me. You don't even gotta follow me on Rolling with TB on Instagram. Just send me a message. I'll respond back to it. And we'll go from there. So like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all on the next one. Rolly.